steer on my own. That real banana-y movement. Everyone cool?
I forgot which way it goes.
This one here. He goes on.
I think it's like
Oh mate, for Christmas you need your dad to go out by your dropper post.
Yeah.
First thing.
That's it.
Taking it up and down with a quick release. Not really.
It's just hard because I don't have internal routing.
You don't have.
You can get an external one, I think.
You get electric, yeah. But then again, if you're gonna get that, maybe a whole new bike. Tell your dad to get a whole new bike.
That'd be easier.
Dropper post, I need a new bike.
A Remedy 8, but he's not never going to buy me that. No way, I'll pay for everything in this
I
bike.
was gonna say it depends how much you win in March. You're obviously not skilled in that certain area. I say no, I end up saying yes.
You good?
Right. After you guys.
Follow him?
I'll follow like you.
No, follow him. Go, go, go. Whoa! What the? You alright?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Your dad's down there. No, it's good, it's good. There's a bike coming. There's a bike coming.
Good man?
All good, buddy. Get your bike off there, man. Come on, your dad's waiting up there. You alright?
Yeah, my butt hurts.
Oh, you're here. I'm looking for you. Don't blame someone else. Were you not fucking listening to this guy?
This one?
Yeah.
What he says is you're going to be doing mountain climbs
You go all the way to the top.
on his bike.
You want to go first, bro?
No, you're right. I'll go.
Go, Ethan.
Unless you want to be collected. And I don't mean Uber style.
You go back up?
We'll walk. Hey Felix, can I try your bike out? Everyone ready?
Yeah. Felix, take your time. Still.
Then we all wait here.
Hey guys.
And we're like, okay, I'm done. I'm here. I'm here again.
Good idea.
Kayaknya nggak usah pakai kacamata ya.
Yeah, it's only short. Clear. Why?
Yeah, okay. I did that on purpose.
No, it's just that you will use that as an excuse to get a new one.
Remember? I'll follow you.
Yeah, I don't know. We
Watch my hips, not my butt.
Is that the same thing or not?
No.
Nice butt.
Who said nice butt?
No, it's going to say nice, but it's not right.
Get to steer on my own. That real banana-y movement. Everyone cool? So we don't want to, yeah, got that. Take it. So another good way to think is get this left knee, touch your top tube. Okay, touch your top tube.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
How long have you been riding, Ewan?
About a year.
A year?
I had a couple of bad crashes earlier this year.
Oh, did you? Bad ones?
Yeah, I followed someone who was taking me through some blue trail,
Yep.
and there was some drop-offs in a rock, like
Yep.
boulder down in Dunsborough,
Yep.
and I went straight into it and like bruised my ribs and crashed my elbow.
Oh, shit.
And I'm like, since then,
Was that on this bike?
yeah.
Jatuh di mana dia?
Dunsborough.
What you gotta remember is sweetie.
Are we doing like before?
Yes. Are we good?
Yep.
Alright, sure. We'll just ride down like we did before, but I'm going to stop and pull off at that second right-hander. So I'll go right, over the thing, to the left where Annie crashed, right, well, everyone knows which one I'm talking about.
It's the any corner now. So the one
Stop
after,
there, and we'll now apply this
the one after
to
any
those
car.
lower corners.
On the lower corner, okay, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Same as before. Your own pace,
Yeah.
space. Look before you come down, and we'll go there. Cool?
Okay. And we're gonna stop in the middle now, yeah? Right? We're gonna stop in the middle first, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Yep. You good? You can feel it.
Yeah, I really get the feeling.
Oh yeah.
Nice banana.
Love the banana.
Yes.
You can't see much, but
No.
Bro. Banana.
So like Annie, I don't want you to go any faster. In fact, I want you to go a little bit slower.
Okay.
What I would like you to do is do the banana later,
Oh.
but quicker. So instead of coming in and doing nice, lazy,
Yeah.
I want you to come in and go, yeah.
So like halfway into the berm, or
It'd be roughly about halfway,
okay.
not up on the top.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
keep to the same line.
Yep.
About halfway you come in, you can
Yeah.
start a little bit, but then you get a halfway point, you go boom, and then straighten up, and then boom, straighten back up.
Okay.
But you have to slow it down a little bit first.
Okay. All right.
Sorry, did I do it or I did? Boy. I did, but
It's so good when you don't even know you're doing it. I'm the king of the world.
I don't know what I did, but I did it.
Corner,
Yep.
like think of the radius of that corner.
Yep.
It's not flat like that.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on.
Trust on the tire.
Don't go faster.
Yeah.
Slow down.
What you're doing is good. Keep going, keep practicing,
You.
just to get that connection between them.
All right.
Cool.
I always say
So
when
trust,
Annie says
that's
funny
just a
things,
trust thing. Trust, you know, it's a confidence. You get used to it.
Yep.
all right, Keith.
Think about having fun on those corners.
Yay.
Yeah? So when you get this, it will feel nice and smooth. And what you should feel, you definitely should be feeling this, is as you exit that corner, all of a sudden you'll
Yeah.
increase your speed and it's just going to shoot you out to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will, trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me.
All right.
When you brake less.
If
That
you
also
break
When you
less, yeah,
break
okay.
less.
When-
That's okay.
Okay.
We can work on braking another day. Make it go really fast. So we all good?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go first. Everyone else just feeling how you feel.
Yeah.
It's fine. Once we get through these corners, we're going to go, there's two trails, we're going to go to the right side. I'll slow up and make sure everyone's just slow up behind me. We'll regroup there, and then we'll go fast. Lots of flax corners through the next section.
Okay.
Back to the car. Cool?
Okay.
Sounds good. Let's have fun.
You guys go. Go, go, go. I'll go last.
Clear?
Yep, you're clear. Go, 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 you go.
Me?
Quickly, go. You go, Ewan.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Seriously, she really wants that new bike, Felix. Sort it out. Okay.
My learnings from this is I'm going to go slower with Annie. If I'm in front, she can only either hit me or go around.
She'll go around.
Oh,
Always break 10%.
oh dear.
Have you checked the brakes? Are they working?
Yeah. No,
Long as you're okay.
it's the rock that's sticking out.
Like rocks.
Oh, but my bike scratched.
You know you can just change the handlebar.
Yeah, my bike if you want.
Oh, yeah. It's the other one. Are you a high fiber or a fist bumper?
Any.
Yeah, I like those better.
Just as you said, I like those better.
Awesome, guys. Awesome.
It's alright. It's just scratches.
Don't look at my bike.
Don't look at She looks good from here.
Yeah, it does, but then you look closely and you see all the scratches over it. Where it's just been cane.
Ah.